You go to an emergency room for the 1987 accident? I don't think so. I am not sure. I did something. I don't know what I did. Did you see a doctor the day of the accident? The accident date? I don't think so. Did you injure any other parts of your body in the 1987 accident? No, that was it. You never injured your right leg before, is that correct? No. Did you ever have any complaints of pain or discomfort in your right leg, either other than the 1987 accident and before this May 6, 2000 accident? Do you mean after I had the orthoscopic procedure? What I am asking now is not just accident involving the right leg. I am asking a broader question at this point in time. Before 1987, had you ever had any discomfort or pain in the thigh of your leg? Never. The legs are the strongest part of my body. Subsequent or after this May 6, 2000 accident, have you re-injured your right leg? No. Incidentally, do you have medical treatment for the 1987 accident? Yes. What doctors did you see for the 1987 accident? Dr. Stewart. What is Dr. Stewart's first name? Not a clue. What town is Dr. Stewart in? Glen Cove. Is that an orthopedist? Yes. Who referred you to Dr. Stewart? I don't know. Had you ever seen Dr. Stewart before? Never before, no. Somebody just mentioned him to me, I guess. Did you see any other doctors other than Dr. Stewart for the 1987 accident? No. You had surgery on the right leg at some point, did you? Yes. Where did you have the surgery? Glen Cove Hospital. It's called North Shore Medical. I don't know what it was called then. Where was that located? In Glen Cove, on Walnut Street. Was that the same day? In other words, was it ambulatory surgery or were you admitted? It was in and out. Same day? Yes. That was arthroscopic surgery? Yes. Did you go to any other facilities other than Dr. Stewart's office and North Shore Medical Hospital at Glen Cove for the 1987 accident? No. Did you have any therapy for the 1987 accident? No. Did you have the surgery on the right leg for the 1987 accident? Yes. Did you have any scarring from that arthroscopic surgery in 1987? Little holes, I think, yes. Do you have any scarring as a result of this May 2000 accident on the right leg? I can't say for sure. I am sure there is something there. Again, arthroscopic holes, yes. Did you have to use something or anything to assist yourself in walking from the 1987 accident, such as crutches or a cane? Nothing. Did you have any diagnostic testing of your right leg as the result of the 1987 accident, such as x-rays, CAT scan, or MRI? I know I did. The MRI where they shot dye in, that's where they found out I had to have the operation. Do you remember where you had the MRI for the right leg? Glen Cove Hospital. What was the date of your 1987 accident, if you recall? I don't recall. It had to be wintertime, that's all I can say, because it was cold. Was it late or early in 1987, if you recall? I don't recall, honestly. How long after the 1987 accident did you have the surgery on the right knee? It was a while, about 3 years. So is it fair to say that you had the right knee surgery in or about 1990? Yes, around there, somewhere between 89, 90, I guess. Had you returned to work during that period of time between 1987 and 1990? Yes. And did you just have that one MRI of the right knee during that period of time? Yes. When was the MRI? Closer to the accident or closer to the surgery? Closer to the surgery, yes, it had to be, yes. Did you have any x-rays of the right knee at any time before this May 6, 2000 accident? Could you say it one more time? At any time before your May 6, 2000 accident, which is the subject of this lawsuit? Right. Had you ever had any x-rays done of your right knee? You told me about an MRI, but now I want to ask about x-rays. I am sure Dr. Stewart took some. Were they done at his office? I would think so, yes. Did you have to use a cane or crutches or anything after the surgery? 87, roughly 1990, nothing.